Hey guys, here is a Hunter original ceiling fan from 1988. I picked this fan up on Marketplace a while back. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but again, it was pretty cheap for an original. This fan was actually spray painted black by the original owner. They didn't do a terrible job spray painting it. They did cover the tags with painter's tape and all that, so that is still visible. It does have the canopy too, that was included. I just don't have it mounted. It also has the U-bolt and the grommet, which are very rare finding them with the fan. This fan also came with a light kit, which I took off because it was pretty much mangled because the fan was sitting on the light sockets. But yeah, so anyhow, I'll fire it up for you. Just low speed. This is a 4-blade only fan, and unfortunately a lot of the blades are bent on it, so it is going to wobble a little bit. Seems like it's well oiled too. It doesn't have much bearing noise or anything like that. Probably could use a couple drops though, but this model is a childhood model. Again, if it was white, it would be a very big childhood model, because there is a place, actually an arcade in Wildwood, New Jersey, that had, I'd say, about 70 of these in white. Some of them were in brown too, and they were hanging off of cables. You guys probably saw the pictures before, since I know it's a pretty popular install. And I used to always admire those as a kid. They were so cool. I loved seeing them. But unfortunately, recently actually, they replaced all of them with Emerson Lofts, which is really sad because the originals I think were scrapped. I had no idea that was even happening, because if I did have an idea that was happening, I would have went and picked them up. But yeah, unfortunately, they're all gone now. It's medium. But also that is a ways away, so bringing them back home would be a pretty large trip. And it's starting to wobble a little bit on medium. I'm pretty sure that arcade also had some Deltas, if I remember right. They were replaced with, I think, just industrials. It also had Coastal Breeze Pluses, well, not Coastal Breeze Pluses, they were just regular Coastal Breezes, and I think some Spirit of Saturn knockoffs too. But I think they also had Northwinds, Emerson Northwinds, but all of them are gone now. So using a good amount of intermedium, keep the high. Make sure we're gonna get going on high. See, that tree is going crazy there. He's going strong. It's the typical original performance. Stop it for you. Here's the tag. It says 88. Up there. See the other tag? You can see it was white before. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this fan. I might leave it black and just get some oak blades or something for it. But yeah. Anyways, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video.